Welcome everyone and welcome back to GPT token update today. All right, so some few days ago, 3 days ago basically, I made a video about the C correction of the chat GPT. So let's listen to what I said.
What is going on? I've already told you in the past videos, 2 days ago, that this was a bull flag. Crossed the bull flag, crawled up, coming here, gave you this 0.14 to 1. You've already made this met. Now the thing with with theory that follows is the following: an A correction, the B correction, and a very big deeper C correction. So basically you've already made this A correction because that's just how the rule actually goes. Might even expect that this bear flag is going to take the prices all the way down to 0.093, and that's going to be retracement from the current prices of nearly.
All right, so that was everything that I told you. And do you know, even the most cool part about this one is that if you want to know when I trade and do stuff like that, if you're liking this analysis, I'm opening up my private channel for the next 7 days. Click on the Discord, and not only do you join the Discord, but you get an opportunity to win 15 USDT for free. So it's free to join. Come there, free money right there. And all you got to do is come to the giveaway booth and drop a heart. That's it. That's how you participate. Now, falling back into the charts, here's my technical target. Perfectly done, perfectly met. So we started off with this, ascending triangle, and I did even make an update about this ascending triangle from the very first videos, and I told you a technical target up here, and then you went to the upside. You made a rising wedge on the 1 hour time frame, which actually looks like a bull flag on the 4 hour time frame, and then you pushed up, and I gave you this elite wave theory, which was the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was the 5, A, B, and the C correction. Done. Amazing. Now what is going to happen next is we're going to try to figure out exactly what I can see now. For some reason, it seems like you are making this pattern right there. This is almost like an ascending left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. So this is basically the head and shoulders. And I do believe that you're looking for technical target even more to the downside. But before that, I think you're going to go back and retest this neckline right up here at 12 and try to backtest 12 and then maybe get rejected to go down. So I'm not saying it's going to go down right now, but we need a retest. So basically, if you do end up getting rejected at the retest of this head and shoulder, you're taking the top to the bottom right here, and you can see that this is popping out, and you might expect a technical target down to 0.0694257. That's going to be this target right over here. And considering from where you're coming from, that's going to be a very big, massive discount from the top to the bottom right there. That's going to be like a nice, amazing 53% discount. And I think that could be another opportunity to trade this coin at the moment. So right now, let's see if there's anything else on the 1 hour time frame. I don't see anything significant on the 1 hour time frame except for the following trend line that is forming up at the moment, and that's going to be this trend line. Yeah, so if you notice at that trend line, you're getting rejected a couple of times here. So one touch there, second touch here, and you might try to move here and then even try to go back down from that point onwards. So it's a journey to come down here, but don't be surprised if you do end up making just a small push back up, get rejected, and then finally drop to the downside. That's pretty much it for this update. Come on Discord, take that 15 USDT participation. You can be lucky, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.